how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. What's out here?
What's up, bro?
Here with our friends. Don't ever wear that shirt around me. Just kidding. All right, so today, what are we doing?
Installing cruise control.
Man, speak up.
Is it? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Take two. Cruise,
Nah,
cut
that's
this.
going in. That's going
Yeah,
in.
cut this shit. Cut.
And talk. We're gonna be installing the cruise control switches. So if y'all don't know, when you get tuned, in order to do flame map and stuff, you have to get cruise control, and that's why my DE over there can do that. But he's gonna go get tuned soon, so it's about to be quick though. This is an HR. Look at that, 2 intakes. What's happening? All right. So first thing you got to do is to install the cruise control is you take these Torx bit bolts out. There's one on each side, and then the steering wheel is gonna come off. Steering wheel airbag, and we'll be right back once we take it off.
Record yourself taking it.
All right, guys. Quick update. We
You
got
have to
this
record the
thing.
other way. Keep fucking Bob. All right, so first thing you do is you disconnect the steering wheel right here. With the screwdriver, you just pop these little black tabs up, and they come off. And then you disconnect this ground wire right here from right here. And then you take this nut off, which is a 19mm nut. And after that, there's a screw that holds on this plastic over here. And then it just pops off. And then you take these 2 screws out from the back. And this is where you're gonna install the new cruise control switches, which I'll show you right now. But let me get the other stuff and I'll update you guys right now. Alright, so I got the new cruise control switches on. These are gonna be useless, but they come with it anyways. So when you put these in, so you just slide them back in place, and there's 2 screws. One goes underneath this cover, and then one goes over it. These are just Phillips head. And then make sure you connect this ground right here, this little tab. And then this is obviously gonna go in there, and this connector right here. And then you take out your old one. You just pull it out. Alright, so there it is. It's all installed. Looking pretty good. We can't show you them working right now. It's not until it gets tuned, but yeah, everything's back on. Now we're gonna install the cruise control switches, which go underneath here. And this is kind of annoying because you have to lay on your back and install them. Well, we'll show y'all right now because we need a light in here. Right back. Control switches that comes with it. One's for the clutch and one is for the brake, I believe. I don't remember honestly. But so the first one is gonna go right here in this hole right here. So you literally just thread it in here. You just put it in there and then you connect this plug to it. And that'll be it with that one. Alright, so for this first cruise control switch, you literally just shove it in there. You wait till that's flat against the pedal, and you just turn it, and it just stays in there. And then this connector is usually taped off. You just get it off the tape, and you just connect it. There you go. And that's it for that one. This one's the one that's gonna suck. Alright, for the second one, you literally just screw it in there. Oh, it's hard. You just screw the sensor in, and then you put it in there until it's tight against the clutch pedal, and then this nut right here, that's how you lock it in place, and then you just tighten that, and then you're good. Once you think it's good, you tighten the nut. And then there's this connector up here. And then you just connect it. That's it. And you got the fucking thing 1 and thing 2 who don't help.
Hey, I'm holding the
What you
door.
doing, bro? You fucking over here on Snapchat.
I'm holding the door.
You probably telling the girls, oh yeah, I fucking installed it.
Yeah, I just put in a new turbo.
Alright, we'll close out the video right now. Alright, so that's gonna conclude that video. Make sure you put your battery back on. I think I showed you guys already, but that's how it looks once it's all installed. And you'll find out if you did a good job when you go to take it to your tuner and shoot flames. And I'll insert a video of my car shooting flames. Cause these niggas are whack. Alright then. Peace.
Later, SvperDvper fam.
I just want to show you guys a little quick peek. This is Lexus's HR. Hey. Damn.